I'm Zach from ZR Tactical, and I'm going to talk to you about getting your slide modified for a red dot optic. So we can walk you through the process and what you're going to do as far as shipping your slide to us and getting the service performed on your slide. So when you're ready to have your slide cut for an optic, you will send your slide without barrel or recoil spring to us. Once we receive your slide, we will strip all the internal components out and load it into the CNC. From here, our machines will cut the optic footprint perfectly to match whatever you've specified. From there, the slide is deburred, blasted, cleaned, outgassed, and then we apply Cerakote if the service has been purchased. After the Cerakote's been fully baked, we package your slide and ship it right back to you. So with two-way shipping, you select the amount of insurance you'd like. We will email you a label, you'll box it up and send it over to us. Once we receive it, we'll perform the service, repackage it, and ship it back to you. Please clean your gun before shipping it to us. One of the questions we get asked a lot is what is left after we machine the slide. So in most cases, slides are made of carbon steel, and so they have the potential to rust if they are left uncoated. The section that's machined will be left in bare steel. We do not offer services to just recoat this because we only do Cerakote, which requires blasting, and it would be super hard to mask and not damage the surrounding factory finish while we're trying to apply the Cerakote. So for this reason, we only offer complete slide Cerakoting services. Our standard lead time for services is 5 business days, but we offer an expediting service for a 24-hour turnaround. Local customers are welcome to drop by the shop in person and drop it off on weekdays 8 to 5. We prefer you do not ship in the optic with the slide as it's more risk of getting lost or damaged in transit. If you'd like to have your slide modified by us, you can find details on our website under the services section. If you have any comments or questions, hit us up in the comments below.